transport and logistics form the vascular system of any business. This segment amounts 10% of the world GDP. However, majority of companies manage their fleets in the old fashion. It will be an Excel table if we're lucky, but usually paper notebooks and logs are used. Such management brings huge problems, which the equipment stands idle more than works. Untimely maintenance leads to expensive repair. Fuel expenses are absolutely uncontrolled and rise every month. The driver operates the equipment cruelly violating all traffic rules and engineering performance standards. Lifetime and cost recovery of the vehicle are not important for him. As a result, more and more managers do not understand how to manage this chaos. The 21st century is an automation epoch, and any business problem can be solved by introduction of an information system. Zavgar Online is a service for this task. How does Zavgar Online make the management process more effective? Triple fuel control, automatic loading of fuel card transactions, comparing with the actual volume of fuel in the tank according to the fuel sensor, automatic detection of machinations, a system of reminders for all key maintenance procedures, and extension of important documents and insurance policies. Accounting of all operation costs, automatic calculation of the key parameter of transport efficiency, cost per kilometer or a mile. Control of fleet repair and maintenance. Automation of pre-trip inspections with simple transfer of the equipment from one driver to another and counting. Zavgar Online is a cloud solution. You have access to information from any internet-connected device. All employees can work in it. A considerable amount of data will be collected automatically from operated systems of the company: GPS, fuel cards, warehouse, management and accounting programs. You can manage your business effectively if you know figures only. Zavgar Online gives them and allows reducing fleet operation expenses by 30%. Register and try Zavgar Online free of charge during 14 days.